Hi Leos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies from 29th of June till 4th of July. We will see your past, present and future energies over here, and at the end I'm going to take some advice for you for this week. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So now, what is going on with my Leos? What is happening with my Leos, please? Okay, strong Leo energy is coming up with the Queen of Wands already. Okay, so okay, so the obstacle for you this week is the Knight of Cups, and the overall energy for you for the reading is the Hierophant. Okay, so let's see. So the obstacle towards you this week is the Knight of Cups, Leos. So I'm really getting that there might be some kind of a new offer which might be coming towards you, but this is an obstacle. So you might feel that this is an obstacle, you know, somebody might be approaching you, but you do not feel that this is something very good. You know, we get some ideas, we get some intuitions, and that is why you might not feel really positive towards this offer or towards this proposal, towards a person who is coming towards you. So you are skeptical about this person somewhere. So this might be a person, this might be a thing, it can be anything. So just be aware. That is why we are taking it in obstacles. Your overall energy with the reading for the reading is the Hierophant. So I'm really getting a vibe of you know, when we start very, you know, we feel very spiritual towards something. You might be meditating, you might be doing yoga, you know, from within you, or you really want to change yourself. At the back of the deck I'm really getting some more cards. The World, King of Swords, Death, Eight of Wands. Yeah, so I'm really getting that you are at a place where you are thinking logically for a situation. This might be a love situation, this might be a career situation or finances, it can be anything. But yes, you are really thinking about this logically. You want to move on with the thing. You want to continue some things, but you want to end some things as well. You know, there's some kind of a process which is ending, which is coming towards an end with the Death, World card. But you really do not want to stop here. Okay, so this is something, some kind of a situation, some kind of a feeling where you want to work on that, but still you want to move on as well. You know, we do not want to stop here. Like, this can be a breakup, this can be a sudden change of events, sudden feeling from towards somebody, like you were feeling some other way before for this person, and now you are feeling in some different way. So this can be that thing as well. So that is why you are really continuing it, but you are ending some other stuff as well. So this is a very contradictory thing which is going on inside you. So that is why you are really in a very, you know, you're trying to balance your energies right now. So your past energies are the Queen of Wands, King of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands. So there was a new beginning towards in your past. This can be a new beginning in love. This can be a new idea towards, like, you know, you really love the idea of love, not getting action in that love, but you start loving with the idea of love. So that is why. But you were at two places. This can be this can be a situation in which you were involved in two ways. You know, might be liking two people at same time, or your person can be with this feeling. Where your person feels like, you know, I love the Leo as well as the another person, but there are two people, two scenarios which want to choose. I'm really getting strong busy situations around you. You might be feeling busy. There was a lot of things going on in the past, new situations, old situations coming up, being busy, not getting time at all. So I'm really getting that you were being a strong Leo in your past. And let's see. So in your present we have the Eight of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles. There is a move on situation. You are going away from the things which are not serving you right. and you are really prepared for that thing. You are not going to stay there, you know. Emotionally you are getting detached, and you are very firm in the decision making. Whatever decision you have taken, you are very firm in that, because it's time, you know. It's like a feeling where your person was previously, in the past, the person or you, whosoever this thing was, it was a lot of confusion energy. It was maybe kind of an energy, but now you are sure of leaving this situation and moving towards something which deserves you correctly. In the future we have the High Priestess, Page of Swords, and the Two of Cups. Yeah, so there's definitely a love situation coming up for you, Leos. It can be a person, it can be, you know, a person from the past, can be a new person as well. We will clarify. But yes, you are really working. You know that somebody is coming towards you. You might be even talking to somebody online. Somebody might be stalking you, or you might be stalking someone, but you know that this person has feelings towards you. So there's some kind of new communication which I feel that, and that can be this obstacle which you might feel that it can be an obstacle for you for your future endeavors. Okay, so let's see. Let's clarify now. Okay, so let's clarify this obstacle energy with the Knight of Cups in the past. Sorry, for my Leos for this week. So we have the Four of Cups, Five of Pentacles, and Strength. Definitely you are not going to accept this offer. If this is an love offer which is coming, or if this is any offer which is coming towards you, I don't see that that you are, because you are going to listen to your intuition in this thing. Whatever this thing is, you are really going to think about it. You will feel. If you will not feel that this is not meant for you, you are not going to take it. That is what I'm getting. You are going to reject it. There's a no from you towards the situation. You are not ready to accept this offer, because this might be really of low interest for you. This can be, if this is a work offer, financial basis, you know, career offer, so it can be like they might be giving you less salary, of basically less of what you want, what you deserve. So it's a no from your side. That is what is coming. Okay, so let's see your overall energy with the Hierophant. Why the Hierophant is here? I want to clarify some more cards for my viewers. Hierophant, why the Hierophant is here? The Magician, Page of Wands, and Queen of Pentacles. So yes, you know why you are going to reject this offer, or you're going to say no towards something, because you have manifested at a higher level. You are manifesting something to which you really want, you deserve. You have worked really hard for that. You're already working. You have already big plans for this situation, this thing. And it's like, no, I'm not going to accept anything which is of lesser than me, because I do my best, you know, and this is not something which I deserve. So that is why this is a strong hope, plus your strong, you know, that strength in you which is actually working here. You are listening to your intuition, you are listening to yourself, you are connecting the dots, whatever hints you are getting, because the world, the universe is also telling you that no, you deserve a lot, dear. Okay, just enjoy your life, because this is one life only. So whatever you will receive the best. I'm going to give you the best. That is what the universe is saying. Okay, I want to see why the Two of Pentacles is there in the past energy. What kind of a confusion, what kind of a thing, what is exactly this Two of Pentacles? King of Wands, Nine of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I really feel that this is not you, this is somebody else with whom you were dealing. So there was a person who was really confused about something. It was like, I really want to take everything, you know. This can be a person with the King of Wands. I'm really getting that this is a person who does not like criticism at all. If you are telling this person that, okay, so this is something you need to change, or this is something, you know, it's like we are really fighting a lot in this and this thing, but this person is not open to criticism, not open to changes, anything. This is a very stubborn kind of a person, and that is why the things really didn't go well in the past, and it was always a one-sided relationship. That is what I feel. There was always blockage from the other end. It was always like that, and that is why you start feeling this situation. You started feeling, and I see that there was some, what is this Ace of Wands? Why this new beginning has come up with the Ace of Wands? What kind of a situation happened with my Leos in the past? Why this Ace of Wands is here? Three of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. So definitely that there was a new beginning. This was going to bring you more success, prosperity. It was something. You were really happy with this situation, with this new beginning. You were feeling that you are at another level. This thing definitely brought a lot of happiness to you. Although at present you are not ready to stay in the particular situation, in the same situation, but yes, it brought you happiness, stability. It brought you different ways of thinking, new ideas, creativity, you know, everything. But at some point you are feeling that there is less growth in the situation, like your personal development, because you really wanted to develop yourself. I really want to check why the Queen of Wands is there in the past energies for you. As let's see what kind of this was a decision making you have done, or what exactly this is. Ten of Wands, Nine of Cups, and the Nine of Swords. Definitely you were started feeling burdened. You had anxiety attacks as well. There was a lot of depression for the situation which happened with you in the past. You were feeling that you were burdened, you were not ready, you are not able to, because a Leo does not stay, you know. Leo does not want to get dominated, and that is why when this domination kind of situation came, because with the King of Wands, I'm really getting this can be a Sagittarius or Aries, but it was somebody who was trying to dominate you, because Leo does, you know, it's for Leo, it's like, you don't tell me, I tell you what to do. So this is that kind of energy for Leos. And when they start, somebody tries to work, like, you know, no, you have to do this or you have to do that, they're like, no buddy, it's not gonna happen like that. So yes, you were feeling very much afraid, or you know, in a cage kind of a situation, that I'm not free, I really need freedom. You needed air to breathe, you were not getting it. So that is why at present I'm really getting with the Eight of Cups that you are ready to move on from the situation. Let's see why the Wheel of Fortune is here in the present energies. You're ready to accept changes, Leo. That is what I'm getting. Queen of Swords, Ace of Cups, and Four of Wands. Definitely already ready for some changes in your life. This can be a change in regards with marriage for some of you. This can be a change in regards with some new commitment, new relationship for some of you. Brand new beginning, you know, meeting your family, friends, kind of a reunion, engagement you might be going into, something like that. And that is why you are really ready to move forward and to open. Now I'm getting your energies, your inner energies, why you are ready for some endings, but still continuing your life as it is, being happy, you know, because you have really worked on yourself. And that is why Queen of Pentacles also came, the Magician came, that you are working already. Okay, so let's see why the High Priestess is here in your future energies. There's something, you know, something mysterious is coming up. What kind of mystery is this? What exactly is coming up for the Leos with the High Priestess? King of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, and the Five of Wands. So this can be a stern decision, a firm decision from your end. It can be a new idea from your end in which you are already planning. I think you are working for something new, but you are not telling it to anyone. It's a hidden kind of a situation, because if you will tell people around you, they might not accept it, they might have other ideas, and when ideas clash, it's like, what is going on? So that is why you are working in silence. That is what I'm getting. You are working in peace and silence, and you're not telling anyone, and that is good. You know, it has to be done like that. It should be. Let's see why this page of swords coming up in the near future. 10 of Pentacles, 8 of Cups, and Page of Pentacles. So definitely this is a situation you are moving away. This can be a marriage also you are moving away from, because you wanted to pursue new things in life. You have different dreams in life. You have different things. You might be even meeting new people, because with the 10 of Pentacles, I'm really getting new beginnings with somebody new coming towards you, and that is why you are done with the past here. I'm really getting that, Leo. If you are not done, you are coming towards an end with this thing, whatever this thing is. Okay, let's see why the 2 of Cups energy is here. Who is this new person coming your way? Knight of Pentacles, King of Swords, and the Chariot. This is an old person which is coming up here, Leos, because this is the Knight of Pentacles. Somebody not going away from you, you know, again and again with the lame excuses. They come and they go, then they come again, then they go. So this is somebody with the lame excuses coming towards you, and this is somebody who is like, you know, wherever I go, I really want you, Leo, wherever I go. But I don't think so that you are going to accept them. It's really not necessary. You feel that this is not necessary right now. I really need to focus on myself. I really need to focus on my pentacles, my work, my career, my goals. And if new relationships come, I will see them, you know, I'll look at them, but this is not necessary. That is what you are feeling. So let me check some advice for you for this week. Let me take out some advice for you for this week. Advice cards, please. 5 of Swords, the Emperor, and Queen of Swords. So you are really on your nerves, Leo. You are working all from your mind. You know, your heart is off right now. You might have seen some kind of bad situations which has happened with you, which involves deception, which involves gossiping, which involves negativity, and that is why you are not ready. You have really become stronger than before, and that is why you have taken charge of the life on you. And this is the advice for you, that, you know, if people are trying to gossip, if people are trying to, you know, they are planning against you, just walk away from that place, because these people will never serve. You know, those people who talk about people, just walk away. Just work on yourself. This is the advice. Work on your thoughts, work on yourself, just take control of your life. That is what is really required right now for you. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Leos. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.